बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. जटी अमला पगला दीवाना, Dharmendra sir and the very gorgeous Sharmila Tagore ma'am. The veteran actor Dharmendra sir celebrated his 87th birthday with fans and family. Bobby Deol shared adorable pictures. Sara Ali Khan shared an adorable childhood picture of her with her buddy amma Sharmila Tagore on her 78th birthday. Ever since Sara Ali Khan entered the world of glam and glitz, she has been expressing her endless love for her buddy amma. The actor Aayush Sharma's father Anil Sharma won assembly elections in Mandi. He shared the picture and said, "Legacy lives on." Irfan Khan's son Babel Khan receives rave reviews on his debut performance in Kala. Rhea Chakraborty has found new love in Bunty Sajde. Bunty Sajde is Seema Sajde's brother and the biggest owners of talent management firm. The ex-rumored couple Lalit Shushmita and Abdu Rozik, the contestant of Big Boss 16, are in the top 10 list of most Google people in 2022. So that's it for today. Me Ruchika Sharma signing off. Keep watching Ottering and stay tuned.